Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fantastic Monday. Today I get to share with you the contents of the Spellbinders card kit of the month for April 2019. This month the kit is called Night Out and it's a super girly kit, and so I wanted to share with you everything that comes in it. So we'll just set this box aside and we'll go through everything. Starting off with a little cover sheet that always comes in the kit. It has some inspirational pictures of cards or projects on the front and then the contents, but on the reverse side you get a step-by-step tutorial on how to create this project here. So that is your content sheet. Next you get your cardstock. You get one specialty cardstock, which is a silver foil. It's double-sided, which is nice, and it's great for die cutting. So you get an 8.5 by 11 sheet of that, along with 6 colored pieces of cardstock. You get black, white, orange, pink. You get a vanilla color and a gray. So 6 colored cardstock sheets that are 8.5 by 11 also. Now, as always, you get 10 pre-scored and folded card bases. These are A2 in size. They're scored for you, and they're made with the same textured cardstock as the cardstock that comes in the kit. So great for layering and matting. And then you also get the 10 envelopes. Next up you get your 6x6 paper pad, which is just super pretty. Love the colors in this paper pad. You get 12 different patterns. Some of them have silver foiled accents, which is just stunning. This one does too. It's real pretty. You get some florals. This one has little swans on there. So if you got last month's kit, this would go great with it also. You get some ballerinas, more florals here. I think the floral pattern papers in this month's paper pad are just beautiful. Stripes I love. You get some bows. This one's just stunning. I love this. I use that one quite a bit in my 10 cards. And then you get this floral, and then you get some ballerinas here. So you get 3 sheets of each pattern. 36 total, and they are single-sided. Next you get your stamp set. This month's stamp set is super cute. You get a little ballerina on here that has 3 different tutus that you can attach to her, and then you have tons of sentiments that you can customize and create your own. There's sentiments that say mother, nana, friend, sister, and daughter, so perfect for the girls in your family. And then you have sentiments like wonderful, incredible. So nice interchangeable sentiments in the stamp set this month. Now we're going to take a look at the dies. You get this cute little hanger, which is perfect for that silver foiling. You also get, this looks like a pretty large skirt, but it's actually pleated to where you can make a dimensional ballerina dress. It's super pretty. You get the top of that along with the little bow and the star. This is the little belt that will join the top of the dress to the bottom. This could be a ballerina tutu or a dress. Just depends on how you create with it. This is another accent piece that will go with the bow. And then you get your sentiment that says you are magical, and they're all 3 separated. So those are your dies this month. Now the paper pad and the stamp set, along with a few more products that I'm going to share with you today, are available as kit add-ons. So far the stamp set and the paper pad are add-ons, and I'll link them down below. This way, if you guys are not a fan of the kit but like some of the products that are in it, there's options for you to pick those up without being a kit subscriber, which is great. But you get 5 tags, and then these are 4x6 journaling tags that are double-sided. You get 2 of those, and then you get 2 3x4 journaling tags that are double-sided also. And they all coordinate beautifully with the pattern paper. I think that's fantastic. Okay, this is super neat. This is the foiled foam sticker sheet, and this is an add-on also. Now, the foam behind each one of these covers the entire back, which I love because it creates a really nice stability on your card project. Even the cake here is fully covered on the back, which is super neat. So you get a full pack of these. There's banners and cakes and flowers and stars and hearts. And then you get your ephemera pack. Now the ephemera pack is a kit add-on also. And I'll link everything down below, guys, in case you're interested in the add-ons. But you get some fun images. Get some tickets, lots of tickets. And then you get florals. Just beautiful. Some of them have the silver foiled accent, which is great, but some don't. I will be making 10 cards with this kit. It takes me a little while to upload the 10 cards because it is a longer video, but look for it later on this evening. I'll have my 10 cards I created with this kit later on. But a lot of fun elements. A lot of sentiments too, which I appreciate. So you can mix and match. The little ballerina dress there. Super pretty. Sometimes they double up on the ephemera pieces, but this month there's only one of each one. But there are lots and lots. So that's your ephemera this month. You also get some silver sequins that come in a variety of sizes. And then you, of course, get your foam squares. And then you also get your double-sided tape. Now, when I make my 10 cards, usually I only use the kit contents. And so keep a lookout for that. It'll be posted later on tonight, guys. And when it is posted, I'll link it at the end of the video for you guys. But thank you so much for joining me, guys. I wish you a lovely day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.